Hey everybody, Photoman here. Firstly, I want to thank everybody for sticking with the channel and subscribing, and for those that do comment, for commenting. And don't hesitate to comment. Give me some ideas, what you'd like to see, even format, anything like that. Any ideas? I'm open to all of them. But I'd like to thank everyone for joining the channel and staying with me. For this trip, we are at an abandoned gas station near Canmore. So that's west of Calgary, in the Rocky Mountains, basically. It was originally a Phillips 66 station and was built in 1962. It had a garage restaurant that a father and son ran. In the early 1980s, it became a Petro-Canada with a small garage, towing service, and maintained the restaurant. In 1994, Petro-Canada closed it due to insufficient sales, and the building was abandoned for a while after that. Sometime after, it was reconstructed as Fort Chiniki. There was even a go-kart track added. For many years, since the mid-90s, when I first started taking my camera for a drive out that way, it has been abandoned. Recently, it has become way more colorful with the current graffiti. I hope you enjoy this one.